Hello there. Let's find the derivative of y is equals to the square root of 1 plus cos t squared. So find the derivative of y equals to 1 plus cos t squared. So to find the derivative of this function, we need first to change this into an exponential function, which will be, we'll convert this root to a power. So we are going to have, so y is equals to 1 plus the square root of 1 plus cos t squared is the same as open bracket 1 plus cos t squared to the power half. So in this case now we can differentiate this using the chains rule. So if you don't know what the chain rule is, remember, just check in my video list there and find a suitable video which explains on the chains rule. Okay, so using the chains rule, we are going to drop this power, which is 1 over 2, to the other side, which is you multiply that power with the coefficient of your function, and then from there you subtract 1 from the power. That's how you differentiate this function, and then from there you multiply that to the derivative of the inside, what is inside there, like we have done there. Okay, so to do that, we are going to say 1 multiply with the coefficient of this function, which will be just 1 over 2, and then we subtract 1 from that half. We are going to have negative half there, and then we multiply this. So this one, you write it the way it is, and then from there you multiply the whole lot of this function with the derivative of what is inside there. So the derivative of what is inside there, you just write it this side, and then from there we are going to say 1 over 2 open bracket 1 plus cos t squared to the power negative 1 there, 1 over 2 will be just multiplied by the derivative of this. So the derivative of what is inside there is the derivative of 1 is just 0, the derivative of a constant is 0, and then the derivative of cos t squared, the derivative of cos is negative sine t squared, and then you use the same chains rule, because here we have this cosine function which has t squared inside there. So you differentiate the cosine function and then you multiply that with the derivative of what is inside the cosine function, which is t squared. So the derivative of cos will be negative of sine t squared, and then you multiply that with the derivative of t squared, which is inside the bracket of cos, the cosine function. And then from there write this the way it is, and then 0 plus our 0 here plus plus anything, we are going to have the same negative sine t to the power 2, and then the derivative of that there, which is the derivative of 2 of t to the power 2, will be just 2t, and then from there we are going to multiply this 2t with negative of sine t squared, that we are going to use, that will give us negative 2t there, and then we get this one the way it is. After that, this one, this side, we just leave it the way it is. Okay, so moving forward, we are going to have 1 over 2 this side, 1 plus cos t squared to the power negative 1 there, negative 1 over 2, and then minus 2t sine t squared inside this bracket here. Okay, so these 2 here, half multiplied by this negative 2t, we are going to have t in front here. Okay, so moving forward, this t will be a negative, will be negative t because of that negative 2t there. So this here will be negative t. Then from there, we are going to have our negative t, but looking at this part which is here, this part here can be written as, since it is raised to the power and to a negative power, it can be written as 1 over the whole lot of that function to the power, to the positive power, there. So 1 plus cos t squared will be just, it will be 1 over 1 plus cos t squared. So in this case, our half will be just the square root, Remember, we said half is the same as the square root. So it will be just the square root of 1 plus cos t squared. And then we multiplying this with this one which is outside here, we are going to have this function which is here, which is negative t sine t squared over the square root of 1 plus cos t squared. So that's the solution for that function. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. If you don't like this video, please hit that unlike icon there.